Welcome back to the channel, guys. Finally made it to Paris. Now we're on a crunch because we only have a day right now, so I'm gonna take you around from Gare de Lyon, this very nice courtyard hotel that we stayed at, which is right across from the train station, which is right behind this building. And we're gonna go take a walk and get some viennoiseries. Viennoiseries is croissant, chocolate croissant, and all of the things that are kind of similar. But don't forget to subscribe and like this video and enjoy.
The Starbucks. I can follow you. And this guy has the Starbucks.
Oh yeah, no judging here. But,
I'm judging.
This was it's a pretty good Americano though.
It's a lot stronger than the Americano
Yeah.
here. Here you drink espresso.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is the typical Paris bus.
whoa! This guy.
This is the.
I think it's the other side, no?
We can take two routes. Yeah, this road.
Oh wait, they're doing some renovation, so this is actually closed. Air Caser. Look at all these scooters, e-bikes. Hey, can we rent a bike today? Oh, I remember there are some nice streets here. Careful. It's very early.
No, it's 9:30.
Nothing looks open.
And for all of my very awesome Chinese viewers, 订阅一下。不好吗？
不好。
为什么？订阅。Will that be cut from the video? Ah! Cannot say that.
What? Oh, I thought I dripped it on my shirt or something. What are they trying to do here? Oh yeah, this is the cute street, I remember. It's not so cute across this thing. Yeah. Hey, look at the guy up there. But this is not where we're going, is it? I remember I took a photo here.
Yeah.
I think they need to refresh the paint. It's a little faded now. Do you think? Wait, is this the right way?
Wow, this is a nice Americano.
I know, it's actually pretty nice. Yeah, the one I had at the hotel was kind of...
Yeah, the hotel ones were very...
No, you really need the... I think you need the espresso.
That's what I did. With like barely any water in it.
Oh, then that's not good?
Not that it's not hard with the coffee and my pool. Yeah. Was the
Wait,
viennoiserie.
oh, I think people are on the rooftop. I hear them.
Viennoiserie were much below average.
Yeah, the one I had was not good either. Like, the guy was nice. He was like, yeah, you can just take one because they don't have a la carte menu.
Yeah.
And then I had it.
Here was good.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Here in the courtyard was good because they
3
did it
years
from
ago,
the
4 years ago.
local bakery, but Now, not only they don't include it in the room, but I mean, if the boulangerie is good here, it should be good in Provence. It should be good in Nice. It's not. That should be a
Oh,
So
is this the right road? I know this one goes to Bastille. Huh? I don't know here.
It's Sunday actually, so it's pretty good. It's a good
Quiet?
thing that yeah, I don't.
Here is oh, this one's called. I can't remember this one. This one has good sandwiches. Do you remember?
Yes, we got a sandwich.
I think so. Yeah, nothing really changed after pre and after COVID. Some cafe and all that. Some of them closed that I bookmarked and they're like permanently closed. Cross? Yeah, it's nice. So quiet here. That's nice.
Police. She's some knuckleheads.
This is the way to the. Are you sure?
That's the way.
So this is a very residential area. Or is it?
Everywhere is pretty residential.
This is not the most popular place.
Well, what do you mean? No, it's not the most popular in Paris. It's also not hidden.
No. Where is hidden? You mean outside of the circle?
This is the typical ways of having those restaurants sticking out from.
Why do they do that? Gain additional space.
I'm not sure. Yeah.
Oh, I know here. There's like artsy stuff, right? In here.
Artsy?
Like I can't remember this wall. Like, you know, kind of.
Yeah.
The whole line is kind of like a wall, like a fortress. I'm really confused where we're going.
We're going to the boulangerie.
I see a Franprix. See? Or you can just... There.
To look at the plates.
Maybe it's too far for them to see it. Is this a one-way street? Can you hold this?
You can show a little bit this plate.
Oh, boat. I think is the Uber here.
Yeah.
That's the Uber.
The plate here, F, is for France, so all the European countries have a letter, and then you have the number for the car, and then the 94, that's the number of the departments. So 94 is one of the departments of France. France is the big department where Paris is in.
So
If
the
it's from Paris, actual Paris, of one of the districts, then it would be, I think, 75.
So this is not from Paris,
94
Paris.
is like a nearby suburb, agglomeration. So where I'm from is 33.
Oh yeah.
33, yeah.
Yeah, those healthy green ones are. Hey,
A healthy one?
no, just finish it. Finish it. Oh yeah. Remove the cap. Uh-oh. What are you doing?
We are good to go.
That looks nice. This looks nice.
It's a pretty good day, actually.
We're in a very off the beaten path. I think viewers are expecting us to go to Notre Dame and Eiffel Tower. You take them to here.
This is a typical
Real Paris.
This is the real Paris. Yeah. So you guys getting the real deal here. It's a nice Sunday morning walk. Chill walk with your Starbucks. Hey guys.
Just like in the United States.
That's right. But in one of those cute streets. Or yeah.
Look at those plants. Those look so cute. So normally we don't need to walk that far for a bakery, right? It's just that something happened today.
Well,
It's in every corner. I see over there. Is that a one?
That's one.
Oh, that's not the one.
That's one.
Okay.
And then there's another one. We could go there. I think we actually went there once.
I can't remember.
So there are two here and then
Okay. Which? Oh, I see. This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, this one is busier.
Busier is good. Let's go. I mean, we're already. This is the one you're heading. We're heading, right? This is the one you put in your. Okay.
In general terms, yes, but when it comes to a boulangerie, Paris, I'm not sure if easier is better.
There are some very famous ones. They're like #1 croissant or something. I think we tried to go to one, and they were on vacation.
Well,
they were on vacation. Or here is nice. Hey, this is a nice cafe. Oh, that was
Oh,
good.
we could also get that croissant we got last time, a long time ago. That was they had the novelty croissant at the time. It was near.
The price is kind of steep. Which one? No, they're not even what we need.
Became kind of on par with the Vegas.
That's right.
I have to say,
It looks slightly fancier than your. They know you can raise the price.
Okay, but the viennoiserie is okay though. Price.
Wait, he took all of it? Oh wait.
You don't want the almond croissant?
That croissant is becoming expensive.
$2.30.
I want the. Can you ask them if it's fresh today? I have to say they look a little average, and maybe I'll get a regular.
This one I think should be very good. The chocolate almond croissant.
I want my more basic ones. Or go regular croissant. Wait, that looks like the US version though. Don't you think? Like so big and it's so. What's that?
Chocolate.
Tradition chocolate? That is the question. You know which one I want? I want a croissant.
I'm gonna ask them for a chocolatine.
Okay.
You maybe. Maybe it's funny if you have an accent when you ask for a chocolatine.
No. Hey, bonjour. Un croissant.
Un croissant, ok.
Et pourquoi?
Et une chocolatine, s'il vous plaît.
Pain au chocolat. Un pain au chocolat. Alors, à 2,80.
You have a menu?
Oui.
Ah, c'est 2,80.
You know something's fresh?
C'est bon,
Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée. Can we sit outside? Eh, he's leaving? No seat. Oh, okay, we can just let's hang out somewhere else. No, can walk through. There's no. Unless
Okay.
they're leaving. Let's see.
So
You want to grab another coffee there or just go to Le Marais?
yeah.
I think I
Le
kind of
Marais.
know where.
The Marais is a very popular district. So let's go this way. Try to hit big streets.
Small streets has its own character.
I
You wanna
almost
show the-
tricked her.
She understood.
Yes.
You say chocolatine, she said, oh chocolat.
No, she said, un chocolat, pas un chocolat.
Your coffee's not done? Then we need to find a place to finish it.
No, it's pretty much. Okay, so you want to take the big street? Or the small street?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Generally, it's that direction, right? Go straight.
The Monday is here. Recently viewed. So if you go this way, this street right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Go generally, go straight.
Okay, let's try.
That's right. Yeah, I'll finish it. Or by the way, how much is the Starbucks?
This Monday for 4.15.
415 euro.
15 euros. Yeah.
Okay, it's a
3.80, I think,
it's
for
Americano.
tall-
It's about
yeah.
the same, I guess.
Very fresh. So
Hi.
I think they definitely caught up in this boulangerie, or maybe in Paris boulangerie, with the pâtisserie. So pâtisserie is what you call all the cakes, the eclairs and the tarts and all the fancier sweet. And then this is what they call the viennoiserie, which is basically
Which is
made
more
out of
bread and stuff.
Mm-hmm. So the breading stuff prices are still
Relatively low,
relatively low,
but increased.
It's like $1.
This
euro
is a
something.
euro 50,
The almond one was 2 something.
230. That's still cheaper because in the
And
U.S.
we're in Paris in the big boulangerie, but the other ones, the more fancier one, they were €6.
You mean
So,
the cakes stuff?
Cakes, the eclair for 6.
Eclair is 5, I think.
That is definitely a Aria or Bellagio type of
No.
pricing.
No,
6.
Bellagio's 6 or 7.
Now let me show you how I eat it.
No, it's too dark. They can't see. You need.
We're taking the street.
You know, it's the unconventional. Oh. This is the Americanized or flaky. You just brewed it. Oh, it's good. At least it's fresh.
Yeah.
We had too many not fresh ones. It's very easy to tell.